There's two ways to change the video quality on your iPhone's camera. The quick way to change settings is to open your camera and then tap the resolution and frame rate setting on the top left corner. Here you can change between different resolution settings and frame rates. Resolution is the dimensions of your video, basically means how many pixels you're capturing. 4K is 4 times more pixels compared to HD, making it a good choice if you want to capture maximum detail. Frame rate determines how many frames your camera captures each second. The higher the frame rate, the smoother the motion in your video will look, and the more it allows you to slow down your footage afterwards. PAL is a video standard that is used mainly in Europe, Australia, and parts of Asia. It's designed to match your frame rate to the 50 Hz power in those countries. But to simplify it, PAL is just another frame rate option. If you're seeing flickering lights in your videos, it's usually because your frame rate doesn't match the refresh rate of those lights. And that's when you'd change your frame rate to match it. If you want more control over these, you can go to Settings and Camera. Here you can set the default formats and choose from a longer list of options when it comes to both resolutions and frame rates. You can hide PAL formats, turn HDR video on or off, and for example, lock your white balance. All the presets, sound settings, etc. can be customized here. You can also choose whether you'd like to capture videos in the high-efficiency codec, or just the more compatible H.264 codec, or even Apple ProRes. If you're curious about Apple ProRes and what it is, I have a video that explains it and compares it to other formats. I'll link it in the description so you can check it out if you're interested. One thing to note, the available resolutions, frame rates, and file formats depend on the phone you have. So if your options look a little different, it means your iPhone has a different camera compared to mine. Hope this helps. Leave a comment if you have questions, and check out my iOS playlist for more easy guides like this.